Hi everyone. Put this down just a tad. Today I'm going to show you guys how to actually make Texas toast pizza. It's actually a very cool recipe that I used to make, and I actually like making it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the same. This is Texas toast. We're going to open the package. Comes out in a bread. I'm going to open it. And then we're going to place them like so. Individualized. And they are very garlicky because I'm already getting garlic on my hands. You want to separate them a few inches apart.